Welcome to our channel.
New Alfa Romeo Giulia 2.0 petrol 2017. The entry-level power plant is usually one to avoid in most compact executive saloons, but that's not exactly the case with the Alfa Romeo Giulia. The 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol motor is a smooth performer and makes the car into a refined, comfortable cruiser. However, it lacks the torque of its 2.2-liter diesel stablemate and, as such, it isn't quite as much fun to drive. Factor in the higher fuel consumption, and you can see why a diesel Giulia is a more sensible buy. We've already concluded that the new Alfa Romeo Giulia may not have the all-round polish of a BMW 320d or the poise and balance of a Jaguars, but that there's enough going for the car to make potential buyers seriously consider it.